Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to view Pinterest history. So first of all, what you're going to do, you're going to make sure that you downloaded the app and update it to the latest version. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to open up my Pinterest. And as you can see right here, this is my Pinterest and everything. Now what I'm going to do in order to check my history, let me say for example, I opened that picture, and let's say I opened that picture as well, and I saw this, this one for example. Right now I saw both of these photos. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and click on my saved at the bottom right corner, Pinterest, and you're gonna see right here the recently viewed Pinterest. Click on your profile icon at the top left, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna see right here in the midway there is an option called home feed tuner. Click on it, and basically they will show you all all of the Pinterest pictures that you saw in the last couple minutes. So you're gonna see it appearing right here. Turn on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.